Hi guys, look at this I got the Palawan. This one is originated in Tacloban and also in Samar. I have the merienda already. See? Very rare ito sa aming province. So masarap din ito ini-steam like sweet potato. Katulad lang siya ng sweet potato. Pero kung hindi ako nagkakamali, nakukuha lang ito sa may dagat. Itong Palawan na to. So every now and then, pag umuwi ako ng province namin, I make sure na bibili ako nito sa namin, tinatawag naming tabo or market sa Tacloban. So yummy, yummy, yummy! Ito, this one is with coconut milk naman. Ibang version naman ang ginawa ng friend ko. Sa neighbor ko dito. Ayan. Thank you very much. Let's eat. Perfect for rainy days. Ayan. Let's eat this Palawan. Palawan. All the way from Tacloban, which is my province. There you go. Para siyang same like a taro. Yun. So yummy. You know what guys, itong Palawan, sobrang heavy nito. Alright. Thank you. Ang daming ang daming gata. Sobrang sarap. Sticky. Yummy. Napaka-creamy ng yung coconut milk. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.